What's not to enjoy about being able to generate money online by simply pressing one button and watching a few quick videos? In today's video, I'll show you how to make money online in a minute by viewing basic videos like this and this, just like all of these guys here from all over the world. For example, with just a phone and no prior experience, you can start making money online for free and from anywhere in the world. So please pay close attention because I'll teach you how to accomplish it in this video. Simply create a free account and I'll teach you the videos that'll pay you the most money, as well as how to do it step by step so that you can begin making money and receiving cash as soon as today. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So first, go to google.com and search for this term Twitch TV and then press the search button. You should be able to find the first link, twitch.tv, right here, and I'd like you to click on that link, which will take you to this image, as you can see here, where you can find a variety of videos and channels that are completely free to watch. The vast majority of these videos are gaming videos identical to the ones we'll be using, and as you can see, we'll be making a lot of money online. Check this out: $10, $20, $40, and even hundreds of dollars. But first, click the browse icon at the top and you'll be led to this page where you can browse the many categories or videos available on the website. Among these, I'd like you to focus on the Fortnite categories because it's now one of the most popular gaming videos. Go ahead and click on this category, which will take you to this page where you can find the Fortnite category. This one in particular has 82 million followers and you can see it right here. Now, this category of videos has piqued the interest of a large number of people. So if you scroll down below, we can see all of the videos that we can watch and use to make money online. So for the next phase, I'd like you to go to this website, oak.io, which you can see here. This is the website where we'll be watching the short videos like this, and as you can see, we can make a lot of money online, so don't worry, this is a simple task, and in this video, I'll show you how it works in general. Now I'll show you how to sign up for a free account on this website so you can shorten a long URL link. If I want to copy something, I'll come back to this website and paste the Twitch TV link right here after copying the video link, and I'll simply shorten it by hitting this button right here. As you can see, this is a list of shortened links offered by this website, and I can make money online by having people click on the shortened link right here, and how much I earn all depends on who clicks on my link. If someone from Germany clicks on my link, I'll be able to earn about $4. If someone from the United States clicks on my link, I'll be able to earn $4.10. So if we check down below, we can see that depending on what nation they're from and where they click on my link, I can make varying amounts of money, and that's exactly how these guys from all over the world can make money online by sharing a video link like this one on the page. As you can see, over 627,000 people are currently using the service to make money online, and they accept a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So right now, I'm gonna show you how to create a free account, and all you have to do is go to the top of the page and click the sign up button, and you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a new membership for free. Simply type in your username and email address right here and confirm your password. Click I'm not a robot and then click the submit button. As you can see above, you can log into your new account right now to see how many people actually click on your link and how much money you can earn right here on the statistics page, which is the home page. Now, because this is a new account and no links have been shortened, you can see that the balance is still 0. But I'm gonna show you a real-life example. First, go back to Twitch TV under the category of Fortnite, where we will find 3 videos. Right now, I'm clicking on this video, the first video, the second video, and the third video, all of which are right here. So as you can see, here is the first video I opened, then this is the second video, and then finally, this is the third video. Now let's go back to the first video. Scroll down and push the share button once more, and I'd like you to take a screenshot of this video. To copy, use the copy button and it'll go back to your dashboard, which is right here, and just put this Twitch TV URL into this box and then hit the shorten button. As you can see, this website will automatically help us in shortening this link into a much shorter acceptable link. So for the time being, I'll just copy and paste this completed script for you. This is my Fortnite video post, which is completely free and you can just copy and paste it. So we'll say something along the lines of check these amazing Fortnite videos below, and this is where we'll paste the links to the 3 videos. Now whenever anyone clicks on your link, you'll be able to make money. For example, as you can see, I'm gonna paste the shorter link right here under the first video. So here is my first URL link, which means that if people click on my link right here, I can earn different amounts of money depending on which country they're from. If people from Norway click on my link, I'll be able to earn $3. You can simply repeat the process by clicking the share buttons and copying the whole URL address. Now we'll go back to our current and delete this one right here, then copy the new link from the second video and paste it here. Then click the shorten button and this website will automatically assist us in shortening the link to this one, and I'll copy this link, hit copy, and then I'll go back to this template and insert a second link right here on video 2. Finally, we'll go to the third video and scroll down to the bottom where we'll click the share button and copy the video link. We'll then return to our account and delete everything before pasting the new link for the third video into the shortened box. Finally, we'll return to the script and paste the third link right here. It's not all there is to it though, so I'll give you the entire template to copy and paste right now. Then all you have to do now is paste your 3 links right here. Okay, now for the last part, I'd like you to browse through this forum, which is forumspcgamer.com. This is a well-known and famous site where people talk about different game subjects, including Fortnite videos, and one of the reasons why I love this forum is that it is free and available from anywhere around the world. There's a lot of discussion and people chatting about games in here. As you can see, there are nearly 22,000 messages at over 300 posts in the PC gaming discussion under General Gaming. If I click on this link, it'll take you through these sites as you can see here, where we can discover various posts and people that are creating a fairly simple piece that's gaining a lot of attention. As you can see, there are 226,100 views and there are a variety of opportunities accessible right here on the website. Now when I search for the Fortnite keyword, I'll find a lot of people discussing and talking about it. There is a lot of interest in gaming videos right now, and as seen by the fact that over 82 million people are watching Fortnite videos on twitch.tv, this thread is a perfect place to copy and paste this template and share it with others inside the community. The more people that click on your link, the more money you can make online, and that's exactly how all of these people here on this website are able to create so much money online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.